Okay, so let's see what we have here. Common problem. So, okay. So what to do? Well, and there we lie. Order a new one from our local BMW dealer. And here is what I believe could be perhaps a good alternative to solve this little problem. Okay. Easy to read that way, I guess. This is what's in the back here. Okay. A seat holder and a kind of piece that will locate it in the shelf. And here are two things used to lock the seat holder to this thing. Looking here. But I'm not going to use that solution. With some in Sweden. Okay. Well, not yet. Could be. Well, now I need a rivet nut that will just be big enough to go through those holes. See what can it be. Stop for a moment. Well, hi again. Okay. Here's the little thing located in the seat, and that's the thing the holder will be fastened in. I'm going to use what I think better method, using what's called a rivet nut. And this one just go in the hole like this, and then I use this knife thing to fasten the rivet nut into this, and I will remove that tab, drill a hole, and use a screw to fasten them together. Well, that's the plan anyway. To be continued. Okay, hi there. Now I have adjusted the seat belt holder a little bit. I have removed the tabs and drilled the hole. You see, tabs are removed and drill the hole, and on the opposite side there's doing a little bit of countersinking here, just to hide the screw. And the next part is to remove the old ones from the seat. Okay, try again. Here is the old seat belt holder removed. Just used a big screwdriver and working it. That tab stayed intact and the other one broke, but doesn't matter really. I just pushed it into the seat, push it away from the hole. Then I use the rivet nuts. Here you can see them. Push them in and use the ply to fasten them. It's very important that you really got them all the way in, so that they will get fastened to the plastic piece in there. And now I will try to just screw the new seat belt holder in place to see if it works. And here it is now. For the moment there are Chinese screws holding the seat belt holder in place. I will change those to black ones so they won't show so much. But as you can see, it sits there steady and no trouble whatsoever. So this is my suggestion of how to use the problem with the broken seat belt holder.